Welcome again, EEG enthusiasts. Grab your electrodes, it's EEG time. Our task today is to download and install Python along with the package manager. I will use Miniconda here, a reduced version of Anaconda. Both Miniconda and Anaconda are software packages that include, among other things, the Python language and the package manager. In the first step, download Miniconda. Go to Google or your favorite search engine and type Miniconda. Installing Miniconda, Windows installation. The site invites us to Anaconda website. We use here our email address, submit, and here are Anaconda installers and Miniconda installers. Miniconda is smaller. Double click to open the file. The installation is straightforward. I agree. You decide whether to install it for just your use or all users. If just you uses the computer, it does not matter at all. Just me is okay. In the next screen, it shows where the system will be installed. It will go to your user folder because you choose just for me. Next, it shows some technical settings. There is an option to add Miniconda to the environment variable, but it's not recommended as it can cause conflicts with other applications. So I won't check it. It will register Miniconda as the default Python installation. You can use it or not. If you're not a programmer, you can check it. In my case, I have many Python installations, then I will not check it. This will clear the temporary files after installation. Once done, click Install. The installation starts and you see Anaconda because it's based on Anaconda, which is a larger and more complete software package, but in our case unnecessary. Next, uncheck those boxes for starting Miniconda and welcome screen, and then finish. Miniconda is now installed. Open Miniconda to perform some basic configurations and test if it's working correctly. Click Start on window. Okay. In the recent edit, you will see Anaconda PowerShell prompt and Anaconda prompt. If not, you go to Anaconda, and here they are, two prompts. Let's click on Anaconda prompt. This opens a black screen called the prompt, where we will type commands to use the system. The prompt shows a blinking cursor waiting for input. The term base, in parentheses, indicates the default environment, but we can create new environments for different projects. Next time, we will see how to use this environment.